Yo, 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 what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back with Ross Wristwatch Love. Alright, yo, I got a special unboxing for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I have a special unboxing. You know what I mean? Yeah. We got the Tissot in, and it's on and popping. You know what I mean? So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get into this. We're going to check out what's in the package. Alright? P. Ross Wristwatch Love. Get into it. All right, people, let's get into this. Tissot Swiss watches since 1853, yo. So let's go ahead and take it out right quick. Ooh, that packaging is nice, yo. And look at this. Gives these some other brands they got. You know what I mean? So, but look, check this out. I'm gonna turn this box around. Tissot. And then got this here. The story of a watch company. Tissot's upside down. Wait a minute. There we go. Tissot. Swiss watches since 1853. Oh, wow. Oh, this would be a nice read at work, yo. So we're going to check that out, definitely. And what is this? Okay. Alright, here goes some of their models. Tissot T-Sport. That look alright. I like that one. But let's get into this right quick. What we got here is the Tissot 42 millimeter every time. Swiss made, of course, watch. Alright. Look at that. Like a little pillow up in there, you know what I mean? So let's, whew. Packaging is nice as hell. Let's see what the, okay, ain't no price on there, but there he is. Take it off his little pillow. Let's see. There he is. How we get this plastic up off of here? Hold it now. I think I'm gonna need my knife. I would rather not use it. I'd just be able to pull it off. Sometimes this plastic is hard to get off on these things. There we go, right there. There it is. It's a nice NATO strap. Pull that off. What is this? Non-refundable if tag is removed. Well, let's go ahead and remove this bad boy. I'm gonna go get my knife right quick. Y'all just stand by for a second. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the tag. There we go. Oh man. This is nice. This is nice as hell. I'm really feeling this. What y'all think about this, y'all? Understand what I'm saying? What do you think? You know? Quartz movement. Switzerland. 42 millimeters. Case measurement 7 millimeters thick. Look at that. Look how thin that is. Sapphire crystal. Crown, push button. The dial is metal with the NATO strap. Water resistance 3 ATM, aka 30 meters, 100 feet. You know, I'm planning on getting in the water with it, but yo, check it out. Side on the clasp. Let's see what's on the back. Whew. What that saying there? See that? Can't really see it, but yeah, this is a nice piece. A nice piece right here. Yo. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try him on the wrist. But before we do, show y'all what I'm rocking right now. Still rocking the Red Shift 7. Review on this will be coming real soon. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try this on right quick. So just stand by and get into it, y'all. And here it is on the wrist. Fly as hell. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can back it up a little bit just so y'all can get a better look at that. See that? That mug is fly as hell. You know? That NATO strap is glistening, boy. Dial is glistening in the light. Hot ass watch, yo. So this is the Tissot. I'll probably be wearing it this weekend. So I'll be doing a review on this pretty soon too. So get into it. This your boy P. Ross for Ross Wristwatch Love. Peace, and I'm out.